I believe Mike is a miracle worker and it can happen. So I'm hopeful, prayerful that it'll all work out for the good. This is LarryBoy's original condition, and I'm about to ship him off to Pennsylvania to Mike.
Well, Demetrius's camper got here. I'd like to say it's none the worse for the wear, but it's very worse for the wear. First of all, the floor was all buckled up like there was an earthquake. I had to stamp all the floorboards down just to be able to walk on it. The front of the camper, the wall blew out. It's swinging in the wind. If you open the door, you can see outside. This side a little bit, not as much as the other side. If you look in the back, since the back of the camper broke loose and fell down over the frame, the bed has caved in on that side. The wall has buckled. On this side, the wall blew out, fell down over the frame, but the wall is trash. It's gone. The cabinet over the kitchen sink pulled loose from the ceiling. I think the only thing holding it up is that vent pipe right there. The heater fell off the wall, not a big deal. The roof is caved in from him having ratchet straps up over the roof. He said about every 2 hours he had to stop and tighten up the ratchet straps. They kept coming loose. Well, they kept coming loose because the camper was falling down over the frame. It was getting shorter and shorter every time he hit a bump. So there you go. That's the inside. It's pretty bad. Here's a video of the outside. The front end of it obviously has blown off. It's just swinging in the wind. And the front of the camper has fallen down over the frame. If you look down the side, the back end of the camper has busted and it's all shifted off to the street side.
I had no intention of doing a complete rebuild, but as you can see, due to the rot and mold, we had to start all over from the beginning. It looks horrible, doesn't it? But just wait until you see what he became. We're here! Yay! Can you believe it? It's Larry Boy and Mike. Thank you. Coming to you live from LarryBoy. It has been an incredible maiden voyage. I'm now in Pennsylvania before I head back home. I had a wonderful time in Ohio, where I started off at. And we went through all kinds of weather. It was bright and sunny. Then there were torrential rains yesterday with branches down on the ground and things like that. So I came off the road to camp here at Ohio Powell State Park, which I've camped before. And I was able to test out all the systems on the camper, and everything is working well. This is a dream come true, not just for me, but for my friend Larry, who gave me the camper originally. He loved the adventures that I would go on with Jenny Jean, and that gave him hope and just enjoyment. And I will post another video with him actually in it. But I know he would really be pleased with the outcome. I know it'll probably surpass what he even thought I was gonna do with with it, because my original vision, I changed up, and Mike worked along well with me. Um, I shared my ideas and the design that I wanted, and he was able to help my dream come true with that and implement everything. So I'm just grateful. Just It's so much going on in the world, and I'm just grateful for the people that have been brought into my life, the people that I inspire, and the people that have inspired me. It's all been quite a blessing, um, and I'm just grateful. Those are the words. I'm grateful. Thank you, Mike, so much for another wonderful build. It couldn't have happened without you, and he said he's not doing another one this size, guys. So sorry. One and done with this 18-footer. So it's just, I just wanted to give some words. I did put Larry up here in the camper, his picture up here, but I'll carry him in my heart, and I just wish you all blessings and love and all those good things. Life is short. Enjoy it along the way. You never know what tomorrow holds. My granddad would always say, don't wait until you're old to travel, because then you never know what condition you'll be in. Aches and pains, or, you'll be sick. You can't do things the same way you would do it at a younger age, because today you're the youngest you'll ever be. So get out there, enjoy yourself, even if it's just simple things close by home. It's good. And if you want to go camping, call me, or glamping. I'll be more than willing to help you plan something or assist you with making that happen. All right? Take care and be blessed. And see you on the road. Like, share, and subscribe.